Cathedral City is looking at rules to regulate medical marijuana dispensaries as the California Supreme Court decides whether cities can ban the shops. KMIR-6's Angela Monroe joins us now with that story. Angela.
Well, Cathedral City currently has a ban against all medical marijuana dispensaries. But with the state Supreme Court decision coming up within the next 60 days, that ban could go up in smoke. So they're preparing with rules for those shops. The owners of Compassionate Therapeutic Care haven't opened their doors yet. They hope that can change soon.
We're the one shop that's trying to start this and do it legally, the proper way. And there's a lot of shops that popped up that are not legal, and we didn't want to do that.
Multiple medical marijuana dispensaries have been shut down in Cathedral City. The city attorney says there's still one, Grasshopper Collective, operating against a court order.
We have a hearing coming up in a few days with the court to authorize us to go in and physically shut them down.
The California Supreme Court will decide whether cities have the right to ban dispensaries.
And I didn't want the city to be in a position where it had no regulations in place against a dispensary, because then they could go where they wanted to, be open any hours, situate next to churches and schools and that sort of thing.
There are many rules to the city's ordinance. First of all, only 2 dispensaries will be given permits. They could only operate during certain hours with no cash and not on Palm Canyon Drive.
We want to make sure that we have regulations put in place so we have time, place, and manner of which business can operate as well as where they'll be located. So this is a great planning opportunity for us for the future in case the court rules against dispensaries.
We asked Compassionate Therapeutic Care, what if the court says city bans are okay?
I'm totally optimistic, but that's a good question, and I don't know how I would answer that. I wouldn't want to do it any other way but legally.
And Cathedral City Council changed the proposed rules in a few ways, including the number of dispensaries will now be based on population, 1 per 20,000 residents. Back to you, Elizabeth.